I want to give you a quick update on the shed. So we have been doing sheetrock. If you can notice back here, all my sheetrock is laid out here. And we got the walls up, we got them painted for the most part. Now I need help on my ceiling on what to do. So I want to take you inside and I want to show you the ceiling, what I'm faced with, and get your opinion on it so I can get this thing wrapped up. So as you can see, I have put walls up and I've painted them. And me and Zach did this and have been very happy with the results of it. We're excited that it is getting so close for us to get this thing wrapped up. But in order for us to get it wrapped up, I need your help on the ceiling. And I'm gonna show you what I've done. So if you notice, I have these trusses and they go all the way across. Well, I don't want to box this whole place in by putting the ceiling up against the trusses. That would be the easiest thing to do, but I really don't. I want to leave this exposed and maybe even stain these trusses eventually. And so what I thought of is I would come here and I have these 1-bys these little slats right there that I'm running all the way up. And then I figured I would just take the sheetrock and cut it and slide it in and I'd be done. Well, it wasn't that easy. And the reason why is if at the very top up there, you might be looking at 22 inches right there where the truss comes together. But when you get here, you know, this might be 21 3/4. And then down here, you know, you're looking again at, you know, maybe 22 inches. So to cut that is kind of a pain because you have to get a sheetrock saw and cut it while it's up there and it gets real messy. And then another challenge I have is at the corner up there where the ridge vent comes in, what to do there. And so this is 8-foot sheetrock that I've put in. I couldn't find any 9-foot or 10-foot around here. So I went with this thinking it would be okay, but then it leaves me with what do I do right there? So I'm just wanting your opinion on this. You know, what have you done? Do you have any ideas of what to do to, you know, still give me this open concept and it be easy and not so expensive? I know there's drop ceilings, there's different things, but it's just really expensive. I'm looking for a really inexpensive route here to go. I also need your help on this. So I have this radiant barrier. You know, do I have to put insulation, you know, between whatever I do up here and the radiant barrier, you know, or would it be okay just to close that in? And then my last thing is over here where we're coming in, you know, can I just close it off right there and not put any kind of vents on the outside of the house? You know, will there be enough ventilation that will be able to get in and go? So I really need your help on this. I'd like to get this wrapped up soon. I only have a few more things. Like I said, the walls are pretty much done. My floor, I need to get a floor down. And also I'm gonna put a mini split in, which I'll probably put, you know, up in the, somewhere up here or on the other side. And so I'm looking forward to getting this thing wrapped up. I'd appreciate your help on this. All right, just to recap, there's 3 things I need your help with, and I would really appreciate it if you would comment below to help me out. I'd really like to get this done, you know, within the next 2 weeks or so. So any comments would be great. So the first thing, help me with that ceiling up there. How am I going to cover that up to make it look good and not close me in and box me in? Number 2, at the point where it comes together, the ridge up top, you know, how do I make that look good? And then number 3, on the outside, do I need any kind of venting to be able to push the air through up to the ridge vent? I really appreciate you commenting. Please hit subscribe, hit like, tell your friends about it. But most of all, just leave me some comments so I can figure out what to do without driving me crazy.